Rocketspark website builder tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to build your own website with Rocketspark. First, you want to go onto rocketspark.com. Then you're going to tap on Get Started. After selecting Get Started, you'll be redirected to this page. And we're going to tap on Start 30-day trial. And you can get started for completely free. All you'll need to do now is enter your first, last name, email address, and some basic information. After you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you can choose a template. You can also choose based on different categories from the top navigation bar. You can scroll down and you can select a particular template. Keep in mind, any one of the templates that you see with this icon right here works great with Flint Auto Writing. So you'll be able to use Flint Auto Writing with that option. But we're just going to be selecting Start with this design. After tapping on Start with this design, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to add your own personal touches to the template. Once here, you can use their AI feature to fill out your website. So you could tap on Next and you could put in your business name. And you can also add in what type of website you like to create. And you can fill in some basic information as you can see right here. After doing that, you will tap on Next. Then what's the vibe of your business? You can select whichever option. And from there, you'll tap on Next. After you have done that, you're going to give it a few seconds while their AI composes your website in the background. Once it is finished composing, you'll be able to further edit it and add your own personal touches. Once it loads up, you can start editing your home page. So you can see your home page is ready and we can start editing our home page. To make any changes, let's say we would like to change the header section, you can tap on the pencil icon. After selecting the pencil icon, from there you could go over to the left hand menu option and you could replace the logo that is currently there. So you could replace the logo right there. Another thing that you can also do, we could tap on the text right here. So let's say you like to edit this section, you can tap on the pencil once more. And then from there, you could replace the text that is currently there. And you can also use their AI feature to rewrite it. So that's how you'll be able to do that. And you can scroll down and continue editing. In case you wanted to change the background image, you could also do that. So you could tap on Cancel. You could tap on the pencil in the top left hand corner. And from there, you could replace the background image. So all you have to do is hover over the section you'd like to change and you can tap on it and you'll be able to change it. So let's do that real quick. We can scroll down if you would like to change an image right here. So let's say, for example, this image, you could tap on the pencil once more. After tapping on the pencil, you can go over to the left hand column, tap on Add Pictures, and you could upload your pic right there. By scrolling down, you can also tap on the plus if you would like to add an element. So let's say, for example, you like to add a text or picture. You can quickly add that right there. You can scroll down. You could edit the button by tapping on the pencil icon over the button. And you could add the text or you can change the text better yet. And you can also add stacks by tapping on Add Stack right there. Then you could go over to the left hand column. And you can choose from any one of these sections that you would like to quickly add to your website. So let's say, for example, I would like to add this section. I could tap on it and it will automatically be added to my website. Once it is added, you'll be able to edit it by hovering over the section. You can tap on the pencil icon and then from there you can edit the text or you could type in the AI section what you would like them to add for you. So that's how you'll be able to do it. So you can add sections. You can also add your own image by tapping on the plus. You'll be able to change the image by tapping on the pencil icon right there. You can change the image that is currently there by tapping on Replace. So there are numerous editing options that you can quickly access on this platform. If you would like to further change color or so on, you could tap on the color icon from the right hand column and you can edit the design. Also, if you were to, for example, tap right here, you'll be able to hide this section if you want. And by going over to the top left hand corner, you could tap on the two dashes. And this is where you'll be able to view the pages by tapping on Manage Pages. You can see the different pages that are currently on your website. If you would like to add a page, you could tap on Add Page. If you would like to delete a page, you could tap on the trash can to remove a page. You can also add forms. You can also monitor your social media, so you could add different social media links, whether that be Facebook, Instagram, or X. You can also set up a store using this platform. So once you're finished doing all of that and it is to your liking, so let's say we were to toggle on offline right here, you can tap on set online. After tapping on set online, you will need to verify it, so you'll tap on verify now. After selecting verify now, from there you'll be redirected to this page. And this was the hold up that I had with this platform, as I don't understand what you'll need to do right there. I don't know if you need to sign in or what, but I figure more than likely if you were to upgrade and go onto their paid plan, you'll be able to get access to your website. But that's how you'll be able to create a website using Rocketspark. When it comes onto launching your website, that's a whole different scenario. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.